How to buy crypto in Telegram wallet. So to buy cryptocurrency using the Telegram wallet, you can either use the built-in Ton wallet within the Telegram app or utilize the third-party crypto bots. So first thing you want to do is use the built-in Ton wallet. So just open Telegram, navigate to the settings, and then simply buy crypto using a bank card or through a peer-to-peer platform within the wallet. And then manage and trade, and then connect the mini apps. Now by using the third-party crypto bots, you can find reputable bots by simply searching for a trusted crypto trading bot within Telegram, such as XRocket or FinTokyo. Then you can start the bot by simply following the instructions to connect it to your Ton wallet or another compatible wallet. You can now trade and manage, and make sure to be cautious because make sure that the bot is legitimate and it has some history, and some bots could be a scam. So make sure you consider the security, the verification, fees and limits, and alternative wallets. So basically, this is the Telegram wallet right here. So we just start this bot, and that's how you can buy crypto in Telegram wallet.